Okay, y'all, so welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas. This is my first video of this week. It's currently day 4, but this video has like all the days crammed together. If y'all didn't know, I didn't explain that in my last video, but if anything, yeah, there you go, if you guys didn't know. I'm basically like showing y'all kind of behind the scenes on my everyday life. There's like yesterday I didn't vlog at all because I literally just had a class and then I went to work, and I didn't think that was something interesting to vlog, like, you know. But other than that, I believe day 1 I went out to a party for my friend's birthday. Day 2 I went shopping. Day 3 I just said what I did, and then today, day 4, I did nothing. We just set up the Christmas tree. But with that being said, let's get right into the video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications on so you can get notified every time I post. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So y'all want to know a funny story? So when we were in Mexico, it was like really hot. Like it was so hot. In the Airbnb, they didn't have AC. I don't know why my sister got that Airbnb. Like she didn't even look in the description if it had AC. But whatever. Point is, it was really hot, right? And I remember we asked my aunt that lives in El DF. We asked her if she could bring fans, or if she could buy a fan for us and we'll pay her back. And she was like, yeah, that's fine. And so we're over here like all hyped up and everything, like, hell yeah, we're gonna get air conditioned. Well, not really air conditioned, but we're gonna get like a fan, you know, for air. Because even if I can't sleep without the AC on, even if it's cold outside. Like, it can be freezing outside and I still need to have the AC on because I don't know why, but I just have to, you know. And what's it called? We're like all pumped up and everything, like, hell yeah, we're gonna have like, you know, a fan and everything. We're gonna be able to sleep, all this and that, right? And so my aunt comes and everything, and like she comes to the door and we're like, oh hey, and then as she walks to the door, we're like looking at her like where's fans? And then I asked her like, oh, did you forget the fans? And she was all like, oh no. And tell me how she reaches in her bag, her purse, and she's like, oh, here you go. And she pulls this shit out. And we were like, bro. We looked at each other, we were like, bro, what the fuck? But we just said, oh, thank you. All right, y'all, so today, oh my god, fuck this shit. I can't fucking record and drive at the same time. Okay, so today is day 2. Oh my fucking god, you know what? I'm tired of this shit. I'm gonna put this like right there. Okay, so today is day 2. What I did today, well, it's like, I don't even know what time it is. It's like, I don't know, I think it's 12:40 right now. So what I did today is I had class at 9:30. It was like only 20 minutes long. I don't know why. My professor just honestly explained what was going to be on the exam, and that was it. After that, I came home, I ate. I was gonna sleep, I was gonna take a nap, but I ended up not taking a nap. I couldn't sleep. Oh my god! So right now I'm gonna go shopping. I'm going to Target. Oh, you know what the fuck? You know what, guys? I'll see y'all there, okay? Alright, y'all, so I bought this at Target. It's a beanie. Not Target, Ross. For $9.99. So cute. So cute. Then I bought these fuzzy socks at Ross as well for $4.99. Then I got these earmuffs at Target for $7. Then I got these mittens at Target as well. These were $7, I believe. Yeah, $7. They're so cute. Look at them. They look like something you would bake with. Then I got these fuzzy socks from Dick's. They were buy one get one. They originally retail for $12, so it was a pretty good deal. Then I bought some chongos because este greñudo is always taking my chongos and losing them. So yeah, we're always begging for chongos like if he's a girl. Anyways, this has nothing to do with Tennessee, but I bought it still. I got these from Windsor. They were on clearance. It was $7. So cute. Look at it. Then I got this shirt también at Windsor for $7. Then I bought some pants from American Eagle. This is what they look like. They're just basic. I didn't want any holes in them because I didn't want the air to go through. But it's kind of hard to find cute ones at American Eagle without holes because they literally all have holes. But yeah. Then for jackets, oh shit. Then for jackets, I got this Columbia jacket. Oh shit. I got this Columbia jacket. It retails for $60, but I got it for $34 at JCPenney. Then my mom got me this brown cute jacket. I don't know where she got it from, but she got it for me. She's all like, you need this for Tennessee. And then my friend gave me this jacket. Shout out to her. Thanks, Paola. I love you. Look how cute that is. It's so cute. It's so fuzzy. Like, it's so fuzzy. Like, even on the sleeves, it's fuzzy. It's so cute. And then for shoes, I bought these boots. Look at them. I got it at Shoe Carnival. They're so cute. Yes, I put one of each. It was buy one get one. Please excuse what I was wearing. I was about to go to bed, so yeah, and it was cold, so I was wearing sweatpants, some big ass sweatpants that don't really fit me because they're Ambrosios, and a big t-shirt. So please excuse what I was wearing. This is day 5. Okay, so this is day 5. I am currently gonna do a face mask. I just finished cleaning, but right now I'm doing a face mask because my face needs help. Like, I have been so stressed that I break out, and it's so bad. Like, I have scars of like where I have had pimples at, and like I have scars right here, and then like right here, and then right here, and I like want to get rid of it, and like, oh, this is how you know that you stress a lot. I have a fucking cana. Y'all see that shit? Oh, I don't even know if I can see that. Okay, look, let me put it against my hair. Y'all, oh my god, you can't see it. Okay, point is, I have a cana. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So I'm at Amy's house right now. She went to go get me ice. We're gonna wait for her to come. How much you want to bet that when she sees me recording, she's gonna stop? She's gonna look at me and she's gonna look at the camera. She's gonna be like, what are you doing? Watch.
This is Areli Orozco's YouTube channel. Welcome back.
Hey. Say hi to my. Say hi to. She's like YouTuber. Yeah. Hey, look. You see it? You see it? Do you see it? The fuck I give.
You're fucking dumb.
This is my boo.
Y'all guys gonna be on YouTube?
You're on YouTube?
Yes.
Bitch, you can't see.
Shout out her. What's your YouTube? What's your channel name?
Bitch, it's my name.
What's your channel name?
It's my name.
Oh, really? Hold on. Let me see.
LA for a month, get away from the city. Been sipping this shit.
Alright, y'all. So if Ambrosio loses, he has to buy me a Mac.
Oh, well, I see what you're doing, distracting them. Oh.
Ooh, he got off. Throw the stink bomb.
I don't have any.
You locked yourself in.
Oh, no, I didn't. But what the hell?
Guess who's getting a Mac?
Oh, I thought he had. I hate this game. I don't want to play.